Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. Today we're going to discuss Illumina Q4 2023 earnings. It's looking good, I must say. I'll discuss the improvements and also provide my opinions. Let's get started. First off, Illumina did better than I expected and their EPS hit it out of the ballpark when compared to analyst expectations. This is a great first success for the new CEO, Jacob Thijssen. Let's look at this first chart. Well, here we are on the spreadsheet. If you look at revenue, while overall revenue grew slightly, it fell short of the previous expectation for Q4 2023. Could be partly attributed to the patent challenges that they faced. The non-GAAP EPS is flat and indicates that the company has maintained its performance, operational performance, despite all the headwinds and the challenges. I've also put another metrics out here. It is out of place among these. It's the NovaSec instruments that have been shipped in Q4 2023. It's just to show that they are successful and the industry is adopting Illumina sequencing technology despite competition. And overall, Illumina's Q4 2023 result paints a mixed picture. While the company showed some progress, it also faced challenges that impacted its financial performance. It can be seen how the recent patent revocations and broader market trends will affect Illumina's future. In the end, I will talk about the patent revocations and all. And I would say that Illumina exceeded analyst estimates overall. Let's look at the next chart I have for you out here. And you can see that the growth was driven by Grail instruments and service and other revenue streams. Here is a breakup of analyst estimate and what was actually reported by Illumina. You will see that the macro assay segment declined slightly, potentially overshadowed by sequencing. Continued growth in sequencing instruments and consumables suggest future revenue potential, and the company faces challenges in the broader market but appears to be navigating them effectively. Now, if you look at the headline numbers, it's all looking healthy, and if one did not know all the challenges that Illumina faced, I think they would look at this chart and they would say, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Grail revenue grew at 30.4%, and this is going to go away. In the middle of this year, Grail will be disposed of. Illumina will be a pure play for genomic sequencing. And you can scroll back and pause the screen if you wanted to go through all the details of the breakup of revenue. But I wanted to keep the video short. So let's look at the price chart before I give my personal opinions. Let me take you to the TradingView platform. Here we are in the TradingView platform, and I have for you out here the EPS, which was reported at 0.14. The analyst estimate was 0.019. It was an outperformance of 651.88%. And also on the revenue department, they were up 3.19% above expectation. If you look at the chart for Illumina, we can see how much it had fallen under the previous regime with the obsession for Grail. Now we are looking at a trend reversal, and the trend reversal has already happened. It happened somewhere around 17th of November 2023. Since then, we have been on our way up. And this whole area of consolidation has put a kind of consolidated floor on which, or a foundation on which future bull channel can be built. And right now we are on a bull channel, and we have support at around 141.43. And Illumina closed on Friday at 143.41. It was down 1.82%. But in my personal opinion, I think Illumina is on a strong rebound trajectory, and we have to break through this 200-day exponential moving average, which is the white line that you see out here. And we have seen a bunch of golden crosses forming, which are all bullish indicators. So it is building up one upon the other as the exponential moving averages rearrange themselves into a bullish configuration. RSI has plenty of room to move up. So everything is looking good. And the next earnings is coming on 23rd of April. I think Illumina should do way better by that time, and we would have some news about Grail disposal. So all those things could be future catalyst in my personal opinion. So to summarize, personally, I think Illumina is on a strong rebound trajectory. However, there are some things happening under the hood, or bonnet as the British would say, that we have to pay attention to. For example, there are additional activists acquiring stakes in Illumina. There have been a few patent losses at the EPO, and an appeal response is pending, that is European Patent Office. And I'm studying those aspects, and we'll get back to you with a separate video later on. But those are the things that could cause a little bit of problem for Illumina. But let me assure you that those patent issues that I'm talking about, they form only a small part of Illumina's revenue stream. So it's not going to impact them greatly, but it's better to know all those details. And full disclosures, I have 10 Illumina shares only. I'm a small retail investor, and I'll be adding as and when the opportunity presents. And I hope to increase my holdings before end of Q2 2024, when I expect Grail to be disposed. And after that, I'm thinking Illumina will take off. Again, these are all my personal opinions and not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence before you invest in Illumina. With that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.